Assalamu alaikum, this is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. Dear students, this video is about IELTS test day. This is one of the most important days in the life of IELTS student because this is the day they are going to take their test. I have seen students very afraid of this day because they do not know what is going to happen on test day. That is why I have decided to make this video, and in this video I'm going to share with you all the steps that you have to take on this very day. Along with that, I will also share some of the tips that will make you more relaxed and confident on this very day of yours. So let's begin. Step number 1, you have to be in your exam premises within the given time. There are two different kind of times. The first one is your reporting time, and the second time is when your actual test starts. Reporting time is for official formalities, for example your fingerprints, your picture, and so on, whereas actual test time is the test when your test starts. Therefore, it is extremely important to be there within the reporting time so that everything is done amicably and you can take your test with ease of mind. Step number 2, you need to produce your original ID document once you enter in the examination center. That original ID document can be either your passport or CNIC. Whichever document you use to book your test, you have to bring the original document in the exam center. Also bring some spare photocopies of the same document because they may be demanded by the examination staff. If you fail to produce the original ID document, you will not be allowed to sit in the examination center. Once your ID is confirmed, you will be allotted a locker. You can keep all your belongings within the locker and you can take your test with ease of mind. Here you need to keep in your mind you are not allowed to take any sort of electronic gadget in the examination center. You can keep your cell phone, smartwatch, or whatever other gadget you carry with you in your locker. Step number 3, your picture and fingerprints will be taken. As far as picture is concerned, this is the same picture that will be used in your TRF or your transcript. Therefore, you don't need to smile in this picture. Be normal because this is part of routine process. As soon as your test time starts, you will be escorted along with other participants in the examination room. This room consists of 15 to 20 different computer setups. You will have to sit on your dedicated slot. You will be given a username and password that you have to put on your computer and you are ready to roll. Your actual test starts at this stage. You will start with listening, then reading, and then writing. Before every module, you will watch a video where you will be given introduction of that particular module on computer. Don't try to look around here and there because every participant is having a different test. Moreover, the headphone that you use in your listening, you can wear the same headphone in your writing to avoid the noise the keyboards of other participants are making. Computer used in the examination centers are usually desktop computers with wired mouse and keyboard. It may be different from the laptop where you are practicing. So be ready for this kind of setting. Moreover, in examination centers, screens are going to be way bigger. It may confuse you in your reading and in your writing. Prepare accordingly. Don't panic about saving your test progress. All your test progress, all your answers, they will be saved automatically as soon as your test time is over. Chill out. Lastly, your speaking is usually done in the beginning or sometimes at the end of your main test. Once you have done your speaking, then your test is over. Take your belongings, hand over the key of the locker, and then you are good to go. Wait for 2 days and you can watch your result on your test taker portal. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.